severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in northeast Alabama until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Bridgeport to near Hollywood and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Bridgeport, Stevenson, Hollywood, Pisgah, and Dutton. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within these storms. While not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday morning for northern Alabama and central Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday for the following county: Jackson County, Alabama.